California is launching an experiment to cover canals with solar panels, or solar canals. If scaled up, the plan could save billions of gallons of water in the drought-ravaged state, while also powering millions of homes with renewable energy. Project Nexus in the Turlock Irrigation District launches in mid-October 2022. The $20 million state-funded project is due to break ground in 2 locations. One is a 500-foot span along a curved portion of the canal in the town of Hickman. The other is a mile-long straightway in nearby Ceres. Brandy McEwen is a project scientist at the University of California, Merced.
First of all, covering canals with solar panels would reduce evaporation, so we could save water. Secondly, it would avoid land use. Thirdly, it could, by shading the canals with solar panels, it would reduce aquatic weed growth. And lastly, there's a cooler microclimate. So water heats up more slowly than land, and this could enhance the efficiency of PV electricity production.
It was McEwen's 2021 research paper that inspired the Turlock project. It's the first of its kind in the US and is based on a similar project in the West Indian state of Gujarat. Modern California was built thanks to 20th century infrastructure that delivers water from the wet north to the arid south. It's a network that today totals 4,000 miles of canals.
So if we implemented solar canals statewide across the 4,000 canals, we estimate it could produce 13 gigawatts of renewable capacity, which is roughly half of what the state of California needs to meet their renewable capacity goals to have carbon-free sources of electricity by 2030.
McEwen's research also calculated water savings of 63 billion gallons, enough to supply 2 million people and irrigate 50,000 acres of land. Once construction is finished, experts will study variables like net radiation, air and water temperatures, relative humidity, wind speed and direction, and water quality. From there, officials will be able to make recommendations on how to scale the project statewide. Josh Weimer is External Affairs Manager at Turlock Irrigation District.
We have renewable energy mandates that we need to meet as an electric provider, and so this is a potential option for us to meet that in the future. We have 250 miles of canals, and so if this is something that works on these first 2 miles of Project Nexus that we're doing, there's the potential that this could scale, and this could scale to multiple locations throughout our service territory.